Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to make your own OGFN project, which is OG Fortnite, in 2025. So let's get into it. So first off, you want to go to your local browser. You want to search Visual. I'll also leave all these in the description. You want to search Visual Studio or Visual Studio Download Community. I'm going to click this one. I'm going to leave it in the description. What you're going to do from here is you're going to click download, and then you want to click, oh, well, never mind, it's already downloaded, my bad. Once you get this, you want to go to a new tab, and you want to search node.js. Once you get this, you're going to click it. Also, second link in the description. First link, second link. You got it. Now download, and then what you're going to do from this page is you're going to need to search. Here, I'll just do it for you. I'll put it in the third link in the description. Voice crack, my bad. Okay, so what's it called? Yeah. So I'm gonna be using momentum, and if you for the actual, so this is gonna be the second link, third link, and fourth link in the description. The first link is going to be my Discord server, and it'll have, all these will have names beside them telling you what they are. And the Discord server will have free open source stuff of mine that you can use with no credits, and they're actually really good stuff. Nothing's released just yet, but very, very soon. Okay, so let's get back to it. So what you're going to do from here is you want to get the momentum back, and if I can find it, I'm just gonna go here, and I'm gonna go access and momentum. Okay, so once you do from here, I'll just leave this in the description like I said. What you want to do is you want to click code download zip. Okay, so then once you get that, you want to also go to the, oh my gosh, second, third, fourth, fifth, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, no, I meant the sixth, my bad. Or no, fifth. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. You guys, I'm trying to get this straight. My bad, guys. Okay, so the fifth link in the description will lead you to here, which there will be a better launcher in my Discord, and I'll make another tutorial on how to use that. And this is what we're going to be using for this tutorial. Okay, once you have all these, you don't need WinRAR, but it would be necessary to have it. So once you get all these, you want to open this, and you want to like just drag it on your desktop. Same for all the other files. Just like this. Just like just like that. Okay, so now you can close out of these, and now what you want to do with these two things is you want to run node.js. I accept. Next, next. Make sure it's node.js runtime. Next, automatically install the necessary tools. Install. Once you get this, you want to just wait and finish. And then it's going to pop up this. It's going to install some required things for it to work. Don't worry, this is not a virus. Once you get here, you want to, let's see, just wait. Sorry. Once you, if you don't want to wait, you can, it depends on your internet speed for this, but if you don't want to wait, while that's doing that, you can also open the Visual Studio setup. Okay, click yes to that and continue. It is going to install the Visual Studio installer for you guys, so it will, gosh, I'm having so many voice cracks, but it's fine. Ow, my foot. We good. Okay, so for the backend, I'm just gonna call it backend, and you don't have to do this, I'm just doing it. because be the fun of it. Wait. Okay, so once this gets done, okay, so now that this is done, you can you'll see this, right? For right now, since you don't want to do the game server just yet, and I'll do that in a separate tutorial, which is like the thing that hosts this in game and stuff, that'd be in a separate tutorial. So for now, you just want to click .NET and .NET Desktop Development with, or just click it. Don't select any map thing, my bad. All this should be perfectly fine. Just click install and wait for that. Okay, and now we just gotta wait for this as well. And I'll get back to you guys when they're done. BRB. And never mind, because I don't have it enabled. My bad, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to sit here and wait. If y'all want, y'all can skip. I'll leave a timestamp in the description, or I'll leave timestamps in the description of where I pause for a second, so you don't have to wait. Now that this one's done, you click enter. It's done. Okay, now while that does that, we can head on to the backend part. So you're gonna open up your backend folder, and I'm just gonna do this real quick, so it looks more clean. So once you have this, what you want to do with this file that says .env.example, you're gonna want to rename that Control A, and then over, just backspace example and the dot, and make it just .env. It may say this, just click yes. Once you have that, you can open it up with Notepad. Okay, so now that you got this, okay, before you do that, actually, you just minimize that for now. You see this install packages? What you want to do is just run that. It may say this, but trust me, it's not going to harm your PC. It's going to install the dependencies that make the things do what they do. Make it to where they work, is what I'm meaning. So while that's doing that, this is almost finished. So yeah. And you will also need two more things. Actually, guys, I'm sorry about that. You'll need Radman VPN. I'll leave this in the 6th link in the description. I keep having to count, my bad, guys. Free download. You're gonna do that. And for the 7th link in the description, you're going to need to download what was it? Oh yeah. For the 7th, it will be, hold on a second. Oh. Okay, that didn't work. I'm just gonna search, don't mind me, 1 second. Just gonna do this. You'll also need this for next time reboot if you're going to use that. It's highly recommended. Okay, so once you have this Cobalt thing, you will also need one more thing in here. My bad, guys. I'm sorry. I keep forgetting. Okay, so once you can close this. Once you're back in here, you just want to click modify. And then you're going to get, this is the last one. You're going to get desktop development with C++. Click that, modify. And that's going to install. And yeah, just wait for that. Now that we have the Cobalt, it's like the redirect basically. So what it does is it redirects everybody by a DLL to the server. So it basically injects the DLL to the Fortnite, I'm saying, and then it like redirects it to your servers that the IP and the port of the config is in the Cobalt. I know that might sound confusing, but yeah, you'll get used to it. Redirect. Just like that. That's not how you spell redirect, I don't think. Wait, that is how you, I think. How you spell redirect? I'm pretty sure it is. Let me check what that's sounding. A little autistic. I don't see anything. Is there anything in here? They're not viruses. The only reason it flags is the only reason it flags on Discord and stuff is because it's a DLL, which it's not verified. So the reason why it does this is not Cobalt. Trust me, guys, this is not Cobalt. This is, it's not virus. Trust, guys. Actually, if you don't believe me, I'll just go ahead and show you a different one. You can tell it's not a virus, and it's by somebody named Ploosh. Which he is a very Sigma I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. You'll know once you meet him. No disrespect to you, by the way, please, if you're watching this. Okay, just rename this. Actually, no, get the frick out. Okay, you're gonna delete both of these. Boom. And once you get this, you can just do this. Just if you don't believe me. Redirect. Okay, now I got that. What you can do is this done. I know it is not, but now time for this part. Or actually, no. Remember what we did with the Redmond VPN? What you're gonna do? So you're gonna run that. Click yes. Install. It is basically a free VPS without paying for servers. So yeah. What you're gonna do from here is you're gonna create network. Name it something. I guess. Name it something random. I just typed it in here. I'll just put this momentum, I guess. Oh no, mouse right now. Okay, so now we get this. It will just make it to where they connect to there. Okay, so for your guys to, like, for people that join the servers on this free hosting thing, they will need to join this network name by clicking network, join network, and typing in the network name and password, and they should be in right after that. So you see this IP right here, you're going to right click it, copy IP address. Then you're going to come over here to game servers. It says 127.0.0.1. You're going to control V. If you want squads, you could do the same for right here, but it's going to have to be a different IP because it can't be hosted on the same one. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just going to revert that. And we're going to be testing this on season 14. So, yeah. Now I got that. You can allow reboot, which is the reboot launcher. Yeah. And then the name, you will need to name it. You don't have to, but you can. I'm just going to name it. I don't know. Okay. Now, for the Discord bot, you're going to want to open a new tab. This will be the 8th thing. Oh my gosh. Discord.div. So once you're here, oh, I spelled it wrong. Yeah, it's fine. Once you're here, okay, this is done. Ow, my hand. Once that's done, you can just close this, minimize it. We'll do that in a sec. Go back to here. I'm just gonna, I don't care if you see my email, I really don't. You can't do nothing with it without my passwords. I don't care. Okay, new application. Create. Once you create this bot, you're going to want to go to bot, scroll down, turn on this, and this. Save changes. And also, if you don't want to use momentum, you could use reload, but I'll make another tutorial on that soon. And to add it to your Discord server, go to OAuth 2, scroll down, click bot, choose your permissions, just administrator if you don't want to. Just don't let anybody have access to your bots. I'm going to, like your bot token, I'm just going to send it to him, because this is not my bot token. I'll just add that there, and I'll go to it. Once I'm here, what the crap? It's fine. Okay, once I'm here, oh, wrong browser. My bad, guys. I'm sorry I'm being slow in this tutorial, but it's the updated tutorial, so yeah. Once you're here, you're gonna go back to bot, reset token. Yes, do it. You're gonna enter your you're gonna enter your password, submit. I'm not gonna show my token. I mean, I will right here, but it's fine. It's really fine. Because I'm gonna delete the app right away. You can't do anything, so yeah. Once you put that in, don't show anybody this token right here. This whole line. Because if you do, they can hack your Discord account and even hack your bot. So, yeah. Okay, so also you need this Redmond IP again. So you're gonna copy that. Come down here to where it says Matchmaker IP. Make this only one S. You're gonna delete, or no, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna delete that, and you're gonna do :7777, just like that. You're gonna save a bunch of times, and you're gonna close. So after all that's done, what you're gonna want to do, come down here, back to your backend. Once you're here, you're gonna do start, and you can join my Discord. First link in the description, and you can ask how do you change like the content pages, like where it says momentum and stuff. If you want to know how to do that, just ask me in my Discord, ping me, do whatever, that's fine. Okay, now once you run the start, should start the backend. You're just gonna allow access. So the backend is up and it's connected to my bot. So now you're going to see that it is online playing momentum, but not actually. You can do with that. Oh. You can do all these commands such as register, frosty, frosty@gmail.com, tgwp, and just type some random letters. And as you can see, okay, yep, you can change your password as well. Okay, it should register. Oh, wait, guys. I'm sorry. This is the last time I'm going to forget. Last time. I'm very sorry. Okay, so you're going to search MongoDB, or you can check the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth link in the description, and it'll bring you to this community server. Once you're here, you're going to click download. That easy. And once this is done, you're gonna run it. Also, oh my gosh, I keep forgetting. My bad, guys. You're gonna need the Fortnite builds. If you don't know what that is, if you haven't ever played OG Fortnite projects, then you're cooked. JK. But you can download all the builds from here, and just like any other project, same thing, unless they're downloading it from in launcher. See, it says this because I don't have Mongoose, which is MongoDB, installed. So now, while that's installing, you're going to want to go back, desktop, redirect, and open starfall.sln with Visual Studio 2022. Once you do that, you're going to want to minimize all this, just like that. And it's going to prepare the solution. Don't worry about the Ploosh Finder right here. That's not needed. He just did that for fun, I'm guessing. You're going to want to open the OPTS. Okay, you're gonna get your IP from here. It's not, by the way guys, this is not your real IP. This is a VPN IP to connect to your servers. You could also do this without the VPN, but you're gonna have to leak your real IP. So I wouldn't recommend that. So use this VPN. Okay, once you do that, literally all you have to do, click debug, release, build solution. That easy. And it should build successfully. And build complete, right there as you can see. And if you go back, x64, release, starfall.dll. So now what you could do with this is you could just send this DLL in like a Discord server, and you'll see why in a second. Okay, that's done. Let me just go ahead. Okay, so now once you get MongoDB, you're gonna want to run it. Okay, and next, I agree. Next, complete. Next, install. Yes. Okay, just wait. And now while that's doing its thing, you want to open this launcher folder, wpfapp6.sln, run that. Like double click it. That's easy. Okay, so now that you're in here, you're going to want to, it should say Yun. I'll show you how to edit this and stuff if you get in my Discord server and just ask me. And crap, you will need this as well. If it says this, just click install. Should bring it here. It's the .NET 6 runtime. Shouldn't take long to download. Just download that, sit back and relax while it's downloading. Shouldn't take long. And okay. Honestly, don't care. I mean, you don't have to install this, I don't think. Actually, maybe you do. Yeah, you may have to. Just gonna try to run it real quick on release. Yep. Okay, so if you just run it, it should say this. Just click yes, and it should bring you here. And it will download it through the web, which is a lot better. So now that you got... Okay, let me minimize everything. I know it's a little messy, guys. I'm sorry. I just went downgraded from Windows 11 to Windows 10. We're going to click Start, Add New Connection. Just leave that default, and Save Connection. Now it should pop up this. There we go, guys. And then you should be connected to MongoDB. Perfect. Go back to Discord. /register. Username frosty-dev, I guess. Don't know. frosty@gmail.com. And this will be gig 47, I guess. Giga 47. And don't mind that password. I'm not meaning it in a racist way. I just realized that. I was just typing something random, if I'm being honest. I'm sorry, guys, if that felt racist. Okay, so it should say you registered, and you should be stored in the DB, so you do not have to worry about re-registering. You could also do /account to see. Oh, never mind, that's the wrong thing. This bot, yes. And it shows your stuff. Okay, perfect. Okay, now what you want to do from there, minimize all this, go back to your browser, and run this. So you got this, install, yes, and wait. Shouldn't take that long. And it's done. Okay, close, open back this, and then click to reload, and it's fixed. You can change this logo by doing this, then doing this, and selecting your logo from any path. And yeah, and then if you won't need any more help with all this, just join my Discord. But for the servers, you want to see this arrow by home, click that, open home.example.cs. Scroll down to see this Eon curl thing, whatever. This is why you needed to send it in Discord. And you cannot delete this message or it will break your servers. So copy link, go here, and delete everything in these little brackets, I'm guessing. Whatever they're called. You're going to paste that, Control V, and save. Once you do that, you can save and you can build on release. Just like this. Run it. Continue debugging, and then I'm going to close it, and I'm going to close this whole window, and I'm going to open the launcher folder, this, scroll down, Eon, you see here, this is not the current Eon, this is Zinc's Eon old launcher that he made open source, for, I don't know, to be honest. And you're gonna type in your stuff, your information you logged in with, just like that. And then you're gonna choose your Fortnite build path. So mine is located in here, don't mind that. Once you're here, you're gonna select folder, save, go in here, and then launch. And you should be able to close this as well. And I am going to turn off all this. Okay, it's launching, guys. Okay, it should say connecting to momentum in a second. If you're actually connecting. Yep, connecting to momentum. It's working, guys. Frosty Dev. Same username I registered with. So, that's the W. And now you have chapter 2. You can do any season as well, all the way up to 19. Season 19, which is chapter 3, season 1. And you do not have to lock her unless you give it to yourself by the Discord. Yeah, I'll be giving an updated thing where it has quest and arena. Oh, creative, what? Oh, okay. See, yeah, servers. But, yeah, so once you have this, I'll teach you how to add arena, custom server, server names, custom item shops, quests. I'll teach you how to, add, custom skins to, like, certain seasons. And so on. I even teach you how to change all this from momentum. So, and it will all be in that one backend ad launcher as well. I'll give you a launcher with like news, item shop page, everything, and it's written in tar. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.